In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite member in Lovable. To get started, go to Lovable and make sure you're on the main dashboard or home page. This is where you'll begin the process of managing your workspace and inviting someone new to join your team. If you've just logged in, you should already be in the right place. Once you're on the home page, look toward the area where your account options are located. From here, click on your profile. This usually opens a menu with account and workspace related settings. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to check the top corner of the screen since that's where profile menus are commonly placed. After opening your profile menu, click on Invite Members. This will take you to the section where you can add people to your Lovable workspace. The invite screen is designed to let you control who gets access and what level of access they'll have, so this is an important step if you're working with collaborators, teammates, or clients. Next, type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure the email is entered correctly because the invitation will be sent there. A small typo can prevent the other person from receiving the invite, so it's worth double checking before moving on. After entering the email, select a role for that person. The role determines what they'll be able to do inside the workspace. Depending on your setup, this may include different permission levels, so choose the one that best matches the person's responsibilities. If you're unsure, it's usually a good idea to assign only the access they need for their work. Once everything looks correct, click Invite. This sends the invitation and allows the person to join your Lovable workspace using the email you entered. After that, they should receive an email with instructions for accepting the invite. And that's it. That's how to invite a member in Lovable. As a quick final tip, if the person doesn't receive the invitation right away, ask them to check their spam or junk folder and confirm that the email address was entered correctly. Taking a few extra seconds to review the details before sending can help avoid delays and make the process smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly add members to your Lovable workspace.